Hola! They're just circling our boat. Oh my goodness! We're gonna go to shore, see what's going on. It's Sunday, so I'm anticipating a lot of things closed, but go check this place out. Bit of growth down there. We just went to Maria's, got some Wi-Fi, which was pretty slow, but we talked to another boat that we'd seen up in Ensenada, and we were wondering how much fuel was, and they said it's $8
a gallon.
Yeah, $7.55 a gallon. That is insanely expensive. So we're gonna go check. There's a gas station up here. We're gonna go check and see if it's any cheaper. Otherwise, we don't have enough pesos to pay for all this fuel. Ice cream!
Cheers!
See how that tastes. So fuel is extremely less expensive at the place up here, so we're gonna go fill up tomorrow probably. See if we can get a ride with someone to fill the jerry cans. So my quest for coffee cream has landed me on this media creamer. I think it's whipping cream. I don't really know. It has no expiry date on it where it should have one. And it was the only one on the shelf, so it's pretty dusty. Could be pretty old, but I'm gonna open it up and check it. I don't know. So now that we're in Mexico, we need to, well, all the guidebooks tell you to lift your dinghy off the water, especially overnight, because dinghy theft is high, I guess. So, I'll just show you my system of ropes. Got this one tied to the transom. And that one just looped over the nose. It works awesome. It's not very pretty, but it looks like there's a lot of knots, so hopefully it would deter anyone who would want to take our slowly leaking dinghy anyways. Anyway, it's starting to get a little dark. It's about dinner time, and I'm really cold. But yeah, I also painted all of the ports today. Well, I got a couple of coats on today. I had a couple of coats on yesterday, or the other day, and they're starting to look pretty good. Looking white again. Get those ones done. Hello. That was weird. Hey guys. Lyndon we just went to fill up our jerry cans. The fuel on the dock, like I was saying yesterday, it's extremely expensive. Way more expensive than at the gas station. So we were gonna go walk there, and then we met the guy at the fuel dock, and he's like, I'll match the price. So anyways, we worked out a deal with him, and he filled up our jerry cans, and then we went to pay him, and I forgot all the pesos in the boat, and we actually are like running really low on pesos and American money, which they also will take American money. So Lyndon just went to give him a little combination of both. I'm just really hoping he takes it, because he seemed a little irritated that we put our dinghy at the dock and then we were gonna go to the gas station, which fair enough, like we understand, but it's like 2.5 times more expensive at the fuel dock. So we literally don't even have enough money to do that. So I'm just hoping he takes it. Whatever. But today I made English muffins. I still haven't I haven't attempted a bread loaf in a long time, but I made English muffins the other day, like a few of them, and they were really good. So I'm trying them again. I let them rise a little more this time, so hopefully they're fluffier. They're massive. So we'll see. Gotta fry them well, not fry them, but pan bake them for a couple minutes on each side, and then you throw them in the oven for 10 minutes at like 350-ish. And then they're baked all the way through, and they're really good. So, yum! Oh my God, it's soaked. Did he take it?
Well, I ended up doing some pesos and some cash because we did the math wrong on the US dollars.
How?
Because we were accounting for it to be a better exchange rate. So I ended up paying more, but...
Oh my goodness. Whatever.
Yeah. Got a cloth I could wipe this off with?
Yeah, sure. It's very nice out today. We are planning on leaving early tomorrow morning, as in like 2 in the morning. We were going to leave this morning, but we decided last night that we should fill our tank with water before we leave, because we've only got half a tank of water. And they deliver it to your boat here. It costs you a bit of money, but they'll deliver it right to your boat. So we just radioed for them to deliver our water jugs. And then we can fill it with drinking water, because that's something you gotta really be careful of here in Mexico. Are those sea lions out there, Lyndon? Do you see them? The fins out of the water.
There's one jamming around.
What is that sound they're making?
Maybe it's a mating call.
Ooh. That is very strange. Look at those mountains there. So Turtle Bay has been really great for just a protected anchorage and a bit of a stop down the coast, but it's very expensive. And yeah, we're excited to just move on from here. Yeah, but look at this water. Here they are. Hola!
Hola.
Yeah, I'll help you. So they just dropped off our, how many? 40 gallons of water. Cost us $40 US. Oh, we should have got a funnel. I think Lyndon said we have a hose so we can try to siphon it in. But apparently this is drinking water, which is awesome. Took a little drink there.
There we go.
Boom.
They're all banging on the boat.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what. I mean, it's obviously to keep the fish in. Huh. So we filled up our water tanks, and then these guys dropped a net in like a perfect circle. Looks like there's two actually. And then they're all banging on their boats. I'm assuming to keep the fish in. Yeah, it was crazy. But the boat that gave us our water, we had a line on the front and then a line on the back, and it's blowing quite steadily, and the guy on the front just let go and the boat swung around, and like that was rough. It like was hitting into the side of our boat. We have a bunch of like marks all on the side of our boat now from their engine cover. There's all the dinghy or the engine hits all on the side of the boat up here. It was bad actually. It was quite bad. I was just worried that he was going to crush his hands, which at some points it looked very close to happening. So nobody was hurt, which is good. To fold that thing. I have never seen this many birds in one place, ever. This is crazy. They're just circling our boat. Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Let's go.
I'm peacing out. We were gonna leave at like 2 in the morning, but we're just gonna go now, and then we can have more time to sail because we'll get there. We want to get there in the day, so give ourselves plenty of time to be able to sail if we can. And also I think leaving now makes it more likely that we'll actually leave today. Because leaving in the dark, you're usually just a little too tired for it. Don't want to do it. We're sailing already. Did you just turn off the autopilot? Lyndon's steering us all over the place. We're not even out of the bay, and we have wind. Hopefully it's more northerly. It's just because of the bay. Hopefully it's more northerly when we get out, but we're sailing now.